Utie Oha Echi Ponkno Needs FM.
Steve Mantiao, where chairman, Coalition of Stakeholders on Electricity Contracts and Arrangements. Dr. Mantiao, Memoaha.
Major Slovenia, say Jawanya Yama content, you know. We are my content with Yanka.
Me ya wakontra kafe. Yeah, atabe bi awatie. Nyaminshira no. Doc, DNT any yakwa Coalition of Stakeholders on Electricity Contracts and Arrangements.
You mean that say, I'm saying if it's here no. So you know, gonna put me and na you move it a year privatization, the empire that's all a year concession no. Na you move be empty so. Na ne we kokua awro bi e wo memu a wo mo de na che se wo mo epepa to say imani say it mu say wo mo de given their ideological orientation no wo mo de na ade e privatization de wo mo pe nti ye mu bi equity no na edun so e depend ye kudum pempen so bi a ye hu say wo mo a e pese ye de isi be fata kwan so no any yen so yen pese de ECG be fa kwan sa kwan so no yen nyina ye botae ba akopɛ ye pɛ sɛ ye nyina kania na gina so ma Ghana fo nyina ye atɔchi ma no ye pese ye ne yie nti kodu mpempen so bi ne ye sɛ sa de be kan yen ye be kan ye ho abom na yen mo na nka ye ko etia no ye nti ko ma ye change ye position sɛ ye hu sɛ na nyema na kwetire akodu mpempen so bi a hu hia sɛ ye be kɔso emo apotia na die dapono so no bibi wo mu a enye papa yen hwemu ne yen tene no tene be ya so de aban si gina ye se opeso ye no oye ne sa akwa na enkodi oman no hwambo na mbeba mpaso ama ye nyina ndi no ye kan ye ho bom amre ne form koteka ene ye se eye concession arrangements and negotiations na ekoso nyina no ye di ni be di ekire na efutuo bi po ho a ye de amaban na eso ye nsachare bi na arrangements na boa Ghana na etimi aboa Ghana sai gina ye nso no eboa yie pa because ye ka ho bi na aban a otija so sabre ye nsachare bi ewo concession arrangements ni mu a na mo so a ye local content na nke wo 20% no ye pege mu ba 51% na fenso ye shorten contract term no from 25 years to about 20 years. We have said, "Ma, it my full guarantee." Say, "You better na your concession no one. Omejuma anko bomo." Into no koseka ne pare ba ni and contribution here to improving the ECG concession so no. And I'm there today.
Well, yeah. Na ye buso. Say umfiti asia no say na concession agreement say privatization no na nka wompene eso. Say aban ayi na dwuma no so wo jai na ankwankre emeye information mu a edie na wo hu nti a ese wo ka se wo mpene so yi
minya eye hu bi penti ye fi asese ye privatization wo ye memo ye ne na o sha privatization sa ho aya ye nyina no those involved in the more foreign direct investors. And I told you more strategic investors that you could see Brunia do my woman. And maybe yes, your adopted option no. Over allegations of corruption near the name. Fatumni be a Vodafone. And Yemna Mekaya, a member of parliament, can say, in order for parliament to approve the contract, I'm say $5,000 to be a year hand. And a parliament endorse the no imponent MP no say inka original chefa eventually it is the biabo na those type of foreign direct investors on mobile improvement technology them so modi ba be dwumani na dwumani tu mpon no mpempi no emma no example the mamen ko chire kakra na menhwe Ghana Airways ebe ko dum pempen so bia Ghana Airways ko ahotire mu pa egu no ye the UK company bia le dinde Speedwing Limited a o mo penyina no da no eye regular eba say wo mbeso no mo Ghana Airways nyina ne nan so me nya mbeso mo kwa na tete Ghana Airways tete pansam ya egu ye kura nso wo musika ye management fees de o mo je ko memna menim kakra na mema mo more recent example akwa be chance run Ghana water management contract and so sa ye de sha brofo no nsa no ante bia na ehu se nsuo hu be ye din wo ye memu apa ma wo hwe na abontire ekwekwa yellow gallons bia etu ne din ku 4 gallons ye di pensio ye ne 5 years e na ehu sa de no amoa yen enyoma mo ya jinsem ntaban ye se ne sa dia contract no matwem ho efire ho e na ye di Ghana water e be share Ghana for nsa and they are no even in the face of intense water pollution a free guarantee no which is the still Ghana water gina o nan so a wo mu bo eduma a 4 gallons na yira aye no e bra Ghana water be di Ghana for nsem no enye yin di tikura a yigo so wo mu bo eduma enti me hwa na che se kwesi bronyi ni foreign direct investment na eduma ye de ma kwesi bronyi no ya na ntan ko yie ba me ma the other example je ya ta ko yie pa no enu no ye Ghana Stock Exchange you could raise the needed capital and you can share jumanim now at the same time it's time say Ghana Stock Exchange regulations require adherence to certain governance principles at the shareholders could share my friend annual general meeting accountability ye juma in the essence accountability ye juma so efficiency name it's time say your annual general meeting na shareholders no any store management ejuma omutimi system management unlike say state owned arrangements ubo na management no politically appointed nti so obo ejuma no form kwa e sign say odi akotene wo party bi munti no na oda ho te ho no obo man ne ka we die entisa na mfatu wa mede ma Ghana Commercial Bank in fact tibia Ghana Commercial Bank ekọ mu a enam so aye privatizing no a worse than the ECG womu Ghana Commercial Bank ye na egukura a sign over exposure to Tema Oil Refinery. In that bank, echo on ye more ye can tempara a Jasha Bank in Mensa Bank in the book. In the buy or 70%. You move equity, I say. That 70% million kukuru and Pamako Sibruni. Nemum Yampama Ghana for by going to the stock exchange. I buy a yes, I believe in a finance minister here, honorable Osapomapo. Or ya dear pa, Utie ya, of course, stock exchange, The stocks I do cost our market no were oversubscribed. At the China States, you can't get Pediasha Bank in Yamane Boroso, MLA, because the GCBR, one of the banks are a Jan and 9 so. Tansuna, Goyle, Wamonto Tano, Minia, efficiency, any capital, Wamoko stock exchange, Wamo stocks were oversubscribed. SIC, and there's that company that Mibubo Mudina, a state-owned enterprises. Wamutibia at the same. Utumso Mujina Omanai so. And to know, Meme Cafe, Yayabida, you won't be that. It's so clear that certain types of privatization, a Wama in Fasudia, a bedroom, a Comagana for, a Meticatna or Manim, then Pono. Efficiency and accountability are personal, and those arrangements yet make a flotation of shares. And now the more foreign direct investments are. It's say yeah contracting processes now the Muna Hoditino. Who won't say na allegations of corruption now dear no now characterize the whole transaction. And then my young Paswan can you say Benya. The can say me go just what went here.
Dr. Steve Mantiao, in the era, former British Prime Minister, the late Margaret Thatcher, was the lady is not for turning. Na utimi privatizes British institutions, be British Telecom, British Gas, Minesi, one Afascargo, Tokwa, Nina, no, Eban saying. And would me privatize the British institution for the benefit of the British people. Now, yeah, as a young to me, I'm privatizing institutions here, for the benefit of the people.
Joe Minia, Yememuhano. The nature of the president saying political settlement, Emwa, my opinion for pray ejapadie emma oman mpempi ni opinion for no wo mo pray ejapadie emma wo mo ho ene wo mabusia wo mo namfo ene wo mo party oman ne de ya na ne interest ne de ya nwe ho kra na je nti a mema dwema ya na ba ne saa ne se ye wo nipa bi wo memu ha edwuma wo munyimi ye eye politics nga politics so je nta nkan enye professional ebi kwa afford ebi kwa university ko sia political science na de but wo mo project abo ndo wo bo wo mo nko politics nim ndubo mo na edi akotene of politics mu no ense de ni profession bia eka politics na mo ye no ndi akoba ne se wo maban free to me ehwere wo maban a no wo mo ko opposition a enche na nsafa wo na wo ho kire wo do medi kura na ye den but message bebre obu wo ha o mu ti aban mu a within the 2-3 months no na tete o mo na mo stress ade enche o mo hu ni santi no bebre na ba ba mu a wo mo form aban da pade dwumedie bi no o di ama aban a o mfaso di anka se koma o man no na wo hu no wa makosibo nya fode nyina na kosibo ye apetu kakra bi ato na account ne private account no man mo asisi kakete no the title ni political financing and to come and then say a parties be na ka say opposition tran ya no ko nya ko opposition ya incumbent your ti eja no so no of access to resources or the campaign in this one pesike bi mu ho a ko opposition be gi amount to be my campaign asa be to me ndi bebre na ba power wo mu pray japade ma wo mu party na be ya nyame amwa na to mo ko opposition a o manye sika eja ye campaign asa be to me ndi wenu nya ka ho na de bia no ye ni oman no ho be mom no individual ebusia any namfo any political party any edwe ho kase
Yari Dr. Steve Mantiao, or a chairman, Coalition of Stakeholders on Electricity Contracts and Arrangements, and AD and Komo. Recent times, concession agreement, yadi ECG management ne assets, power distribution services, and ne yakudum pomponswa, Ghana buying, why de benia, what me as suspended PDS. No, and Dr. Mantiao, kanasama bisi say, Ghana by Mpukurano or Fomoin, say or no anka say Jina Brani, it will suspend the PDS. Senti, Yabako Aquacan and Wansam. Dr. Mantia, Waka say, Mono can say, Nadia no cry, Yashasi and Nanka concession agreement, no, ya the 20% and an year de indigenous Ghanaians. Na mo ye Ekasa Mumpuno, ye Pediamu Edico 51%, say indigenous Ghanaians in the 51% and no and akoya nchimno show and the kasatentene said the yamfa kwampabiso and yetimi agree and who owns the 51%. It will be kind of say and no be suggest to say mumpo ma form some of me pay mu every 20% and the 51% mu be buane saying
ninya yem fomo ye kra mechase na ma men kana Ghana phone tiase say you start say you can say mo dey free abanda da abre so ye ndi jaban so Sabre no Mampina no Tejas no answer that NTN. About for buy no. Meka ebo Mampini na na kufa do about to say. O mayakwenya eni yesiae. E ma yeto ato adum. Na ohonum na yetire bibi say. Se yanhwe yie na ye made ne na 20% a. O man beboka. Ya na mpempi no masa. Ya na yedin say foreign direct investment bia na ye papa and then may come again of what you say and your foreign direct investment and that's a possible investor bia na ye papa especially those type of investments are called the service sector ECDA asema ye ken obroni ne ba services no be render or be scam yen ma ho yen ti ase sika na o ba be electricity bills no a be sika no mene wo yetia in cities enti so gigi a emfaso a no benya no oni ni kuro mu ho onyi cities enti san faso no obesesa ko dollars no sa dollars na ko no kuro yentia se bio se dollars no di ko no kuro mu no eye ye ko a ye de ko ama no ni ko ton ye aye na dollars ba kuro mu ha no ɛno no no ɔsesa de akɔ no kurom no ɛyɛ gold a yɛde kɔ amanɔne kɔtɔn yɛ ɛyɛ nya dollars no ɛna bronyi ɛde kɔ no kurom no ɛyɛ oil nti wɔhwɛ no de bia ne yɛ sidi no ho akyere no de bia sidi na ho ɔde kɔ fam efiri ni ma dwe mu de foreign direct investment a ɛho mo mpasoɔ ma ɔman Ghana ɛyɛ de kosi bronyi ɛba abɛ produce bebi no da kwa mononi akɔtɔn no wanya dollars no da bɛyɛ memu ha ɛno de ɛtɔ de mpasoɔ no dollars ne ko bi ko ne ko mu a nka ɔhaw bi ani ho ɛma yɛ sidi enti no yɛn argument ɛyɛ ne sɛ yɛ magye ne ta 20% na 80% ɛtena kosi bronyi nsɛm a na kyerɛ sɛ mfasodeɛ a ɛbɛba ECG no ho no concession no no kosi bronyi de mu 80% ɛna ɛbɛkɔ ne kurom na ɔde kɔ anyɛ cedis ɔde dollars nti sika no ho bɛkyerɛ no na when you reason yɛ tɔto adwene no ɔmampani agye to mu ɛna ɔpagya kɔɔ 51% nti na nka adwene ɛkyerɛ deɛ na ɛyɛ adwene pa na yɛma na nso hɔ a yɛsan so kyerɛ adwene yɛkasa mmea yɛsan yɛ a na ɛyɛ kɔtɛka members no ɛkyerɛ adwene sɛ saa 51% ɛsan sɛ ɛnim sɛ yɛmma mu ha no mpɛn pii yɛyɛ nneɛma bi a yɛ ne mu na hɔbɔ no dwiri ma akɔbɛ mu ni adeɛ. But even more importantly, your businessmen, no, a bad you say when you register needed capital, about $100 million a year for the next 5 years, no. In the Bay, young formula being able to register capital requirements, no. In the years, what you say, a Bay and Kayempama Association of Ghana Industry. Now, among the membership, no, through a transparent process, no, women syndicating, now come through a special purpose vehicle, women register 51%. No. A second option, the employment sounds what? And yet, 51%, Yen Chemum, Yan Fanny Premier AGI, any Ghana Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Now, we syndicate no moon raising. Now, the other portion, no, you can empower ECG for workers, Omu Union, Nambo, endowment fund, no more back here, no more back here. Now, I say, what can we think I will be at? You may get a bit in a bro. And the third option, saying, Ebaya, Yema concession no Ghana for no, 51%, you may Ghana for him, in the Yanko stock exchange, na yem floaty shares, na Ghana for and to shares no. Now, Obila can say, so we understand, let's just say the infusion of technology and know how no, Unya, because stock exchange, as you can over individual Ghanaians ever to shares no, but the problem we are trying to resolve, no, technology, and now the infusion of know-how. Into a number agent, the winner, you won't be paying. We share Ghana Telecom, Brana, Malaysia, so on the Kaya, no. Now we are minority shareholders. I'm not 30%. The essence say we want in the in the boardroom, they agree say even though Ghana. Japan is 70%. No, who allow the Malaysians to constitute the management. Technology, no. In the case, say, any about we can constitute management. A year miracle for you. No, Yako stock exchange. Yako register cano. Yabaniti Dumano. So when no, I'm say, either say a bayan say, an answer say, and so on. And yet. Panya no opese oje ade ne paso nti wo man pem bia anye adwuma na ye call no another way a edi we nyina akwakobe.
Dr. Steve Mantiao ekwani a ye fa so eputu 51% no ede ma indigenous Ghanaians no sa kwan no so no na totin
menya investigations ekoso what asemi ho nti me pese meka ho asem bebre. Na adie ba ko a eye mwa kakra and say that 51% ye reserve e de Ghanaians. Say am no ka say shareholders aba beto dwa ye nyina enimu no company ba ko ewo mu a ye fe no Energia SA free Angola. Na adie ya reserve ama Ghanaians no nim kwan e fa so a Angolan company e be kan ho. The matter be here.
Enti ni nyina emu no yɛmfa ne saa anaasɛ yɛbɛyɛ dɛn
Minia yɛmfa ne saa saa me ne wo kasa yi menim sɛ nhwehwɛmu kɛseɛ bi ɛbɛkɔ so ɛnyɛ deɛ abɛtɔdwa yɛnim yi sɛ ebi a midafoɔ anaasɛ aban anaasɛ deɛ no sɛ de Americafoɔ no ɛbɛsɔre waka ɛde wɔ mo ho agye enti no sɛ nneɛma bɛkɔ no yɛn nyinaa yɛbɛhu bi ɛnyɛ deɛ a mema ɛtate yɛ na menim sɛ ɛnyɛ deɛ Americafoɔ bɛtena ase na wɔn $500 billion of taxpayers' money are involved in this huge alleged corruption scandal. And definitely, and yet America will take an interest. Now, I'm so when you take his interest, no, and to be a better one term. One more every year, I say, we should know. A gene about the Jamobia attitude. Now, Empono. Terms of reference na die nyina no ya drawn dada eno so ba beto dwane nyina ye hunu bi na maminke bibi se
na nka pesaka o clear bibi kakra bi di fama yen eye kasa bi a wo kan ye say huge corruption scandal na really huge corruption scandal bi esigana ha na
minya sabre die it is alleged. And nothing I could hear say, you be a mushimuno. And yet, in America, initially, I say, me to Jano. I'm say, I am the Minister for Communication who use the word to be to say forgery and not say fraud or to be bitter. Each now, a sign ever stand and use a different description of what has happened. Or can say material breaches. Only the I have a semantic. Into no, if there's been forgery, if there's been fraud, and answer if there's been material breaches, we have here investigations to establish what really has happened. Now, on America say, it's a say nanka. On my opinion, there's between anymore 200 mono. Meaning, I am the pa. It's say, and ocean mono 2 now. Rita can say it was a bit rushed, but then the money involved and the risk of financial loss is huge. Internet media open on sa or suspend the deal no so share contract ya BDS for one there is no such provision as suspension by the right clauses yeah the intuition no just out of the contract kakra now that as is made no it was for good reason and the meme can say you be safeguarding the integrity of the ongoing investigations, you know. Because as we see America, FBI will take over. And you president and who and power move. One may show no crab to ya. It's in the Papa Mupan and state investigative bodies, no. Omu ye duma. In can say Yoku. Because allegations are not you know. The brave border on financial criminality. And think Yoko immediately, no. Now we take you over. Nanka o my yeshemu. Now we do abetuja. But yen yansi him say, in Penifua ya no muda Yoko no. A baby as a star. One wants to get a sound. It is not just you compromising the neutrality of that institution. In your honor, for Mukabe Mubia, Minister can afford to do one of the Benya regime, especially Dom Kumano, the outcome of their investigation. Into Mitra Jimby said, O Mampenet one Mompa, now all could anyone. So the Beya over to safeguard the integrity of the investigations in the Beya in Susan Sony Betuja. Gana Pony Nabetina Japuno. Inka onboarding the composition of the membership of the investigative team. Nanka Empa Edom Kumani being Kapon. And now put the Edom Kumani embassy to be the Kankwana. And the young constituted independent investigative team. Ye were before Memuha, or more reputation, so we can show margin independently. And think the show more and star. You can be this on with my pa. Emma is so never to Jano. Nanka Yina Yatum. But I'm saying, we in an M said, no, no, Abayante. You could do Pempen so be a. Then you say, you animal, a Dom Kumano. atutu America ekodan America for say be ya wo mumre mu bi ni nyina ne say na wo mu nyi gidi mapa e wo ongoing investigative processes na nka etan say ade ne form emu ni nyina ho no na say ka hwe arrangement bi a enkoye say party bias na nka committee a represent all shades of the Ghanaian public and I say nimdifo adadifo a yenim wo mu na no ya me say basabase bi ko so wa ya wa so west wagoni uhwe committee a ye pa wo mu no a won do mo report o dia nka ho atem say ye papa ye nyina gitin mu because ye nim the caliber of the people who did the investigation kana kan ye hia e wo ta PDS nsense mu but unfortunately no anko pata
Dr. Steve Mantiao ukasa mu uka say na investigation bi because so na terms of reference mpu yaye na Americans no oma take interest if we say omo ntena se $500 million there and go down the drain Roma investigations are a year Ghanaian government led and as independent investigators from where
many independent investigators are Mejidi Pasa even Grano Ghana for a bit more can wow me Ghana for any bay yes and you show me.
Hey, Nadia said putting Ghana on the international spectacle and
oh, minya no DSC and the monocre and a yepe. A monocre and a yepe. And the Benya a monocre, this is independent investigations. And I make say a year lanka, state investigative bodies. And when say you compromise or more politically. Now we more security of Kenua, a bind to Sakwa or Motidum, and Omuyo Mujuma. In we put in here say, you've been here such a panel or independent body bill, it be equal Ghana, so woman and membership. In Kaweno, Nanka Yoku, fair, who some way you Jumama. TID for Kwan Gombemua, and also Crano, a Dimebua, but you say TID and so on, and say mono. Nsense bebre na ba emma wo meduma ye no yenya arehemu tese se wo mo ye very objective work and na na special prosecutor on so go timi be mu mani ye but on so ye tete se on so wo how kakra on so na mso ntino ontimi ye dwuma na no yipo no po be kan se sa asem we kwa be mu die enye ye there are all these limitations. The only option you work to get to the bottom of the matter no is an independent inquiry. Now, America for the Eboa, Emma win so, it's me, Abaso.
Hey, Asampa, the Steve Mantiao, Oka Febi de Abraya New. Na,
I just said, Tanya Minia, ACCU. Tanya Beya, Yamayon Sema Yeno Memu Hano. Yakodum Pempen Soviet station ye. Need to build a institution. Now, we're independent. So the bear did you see no mubia? Womudi is Sanson but to ja. Nanka Yenina will move Arishimus and no crano, todo, na betujano. But yet the politics never rabbi bia, say or minor. And now no say the issue of public interest is betuja. Now we are fair minded Ghanaian. Now okay kebi. No one can my idea, a banya or take swa. You better do attempts all again. We say, "Bia, on my year, and I won't pay." It is desire, if a boy may.
Dr. Mantiao, answer na Bibusa the next question. No, if you more all kind wasem. Yanko biblical analysis be ekakra na memfa musa wasem no. Eti mesrew na masreti for na makinkan. Acts chapter 12, verse 6. Yanfa nkosi se 10. I say Acts chapter 12, verse 6 to 10. Yankai say, na James de ye twa ne tikura sa akoko. And as is here, Peter and the Defi. Yankin can say, Peter is set free from prison. Was it the night before Herod was going to bring him out to the people? Peter was sleeping between two guards. He was tied with 2 chains, and there were guards on duty at the prison gate. Suddenly, an angel of the Lord stood there, and a light, and a light shone on the cell. The angel shook Peter by the shoulder, woke him up, and said, "Hurry, get up." At once the chains fell off Peter's hands. Then the angel said, Fasten your belt and put on your sandals. Peter did so, and the angel said, Put your cloak round you and come with me. Peter followed him out of the prison, not knowing, however, if what the angel was doing was right. He thought he was seeing a vision. They passed by the first guard post and then the second, and came at last to the iron gate leading to the city. The gate opened for them by itself, and they went out. They walked down a street, and suddenly the angel left Peter. Was it a high and a better? Ama a gas no ko be a bibia. Say the high no eto a PDS investigations is what. Wadawrumo Mama Jerry Subekan say torchlight no eto ha. And then you be hunu.
Minya, imagine me de me hunu no a big storm and a nam kwan so eba. But no me ji say ne papa mu a. The torchlight no ebe to ha enye me be yie pie no ebe boa yen say oman ya to ye be yie. Say de be ya kwan ya na mpempie nam so a ye hwiri sika nti ama mpuntuo aba oman no ebetimi atototo niye me de we need to Obama some kind me did say so relevant. We need to build our institutions of state na yetimi de ho ato ho so say de be ya nka bibisa betoja yenko edan ebia independent body be not Yoko, not CID, not any of our own investigative body an independent body be a ebia members in the crowd edin free or memo ha let ebe shumama ye behind the ye emma uhu efia ewo wudemu emma wa pra wa pra ni yie wo wudemu ayefe
na dia nim guasia so beba
oh menia media enye ho na me show me share the positive side of it edim guasia dia di beba benya ho na ha me ye ha me ne say ebe buanye nyina yeku kwan na so a we ba ye se die be ye be hunu nyema se se ye nye sisi nyema bi saa ano kwan nti me share the positive ramifications of the outcome of the investigation.
Now, sir, positive ramification, no, actually, no. You may move to the next point, righteous indignation. Just say a buffo kron pan bebana.
I'm say this week sanity sana me hunu no. But this week me hu bi dey na social media, WhatsApp so ne ade ade a. I'm say quotation say free Nelson Mandela ho. O say mu hunu say abanya o tieja so. Di musika, basa di musika, when I say contrast, na dear my families and friends, na dear nyina no munye bufusho, mun chase womo out of the country. Na womo konsoa, womo japade womo je ne no, mun confiscate. I'm say a very harsh statement to make. But before say, ni papa mu we learn lessons from all developments in life. In the way acquire unfortunate development, draw lessons, lessons no so, for year and 2 years. Na bibisa Uncle Bedio.
Ne kra Dr. Steve Mantiao, Chairman, Coalition of Stakeholders on Electricity Contracts and Arrangements. Mude manu disembi akoda the United States government. Edia na mosre, na dia na mosusu so omonye.
Minya memodie memfa bibia nkodan United States government ena koseka meda omo anu nso no emfa bibia nkodan United States government ye ababeto jan na ye kire adwen wo ho se impempen so a ya babeduri options ben na ye wo na mpo no options no ebia nsinsanso ene de ehe yepemu a the Bay America sika omode boa atoto ne emeyie ewo power distribution mo Ghana no nka me yen hwiri sika no na nka tinto bia aba no ewo PDS afamu no yen hwe na yen siesie no yen say 51% no ene hu nsensem a akwakoba no every kwan a ye compose ye nam so ye compose 51% no nti nam we si ya charge say Your earlier proposal, I say, you democratize the raising of that capital. It be better through syndication. Your businessmen, Association of Ghana Industry and Ghana Chamber of Commerce and Industry for any ECG workers, making a carbon normal raises SK. And now, therefore, young stock exchange, young raise capital. And yet, Yabe, and yes, say, be a codan will be on no mechanism, my ye. The cockadum pimpons will be a say a drink Ghana home. The unshay ye let it chap on tragedy. Ni and Papa and Pasu Chemua, or my neighbor Frisika. That $390 million from the money 100 or Metaji or Madia America for you. In the no one trans Yankan ye. Now, when you to me, the pound when you pass a passo, a quack of your man, no moon tomb. And the one among Bia, it is an amono, the Bayer or Mino and Quashrisika.
Dr. Steve Mantiao, yet there was a way and somewhere what then a diachro my ma.
Yo, listen to what I say.
Would ye or ha actually punk no needs FM.